Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine. And I'm doing a love reading for the Pisceans for the month of July. It may not resonate with each of you. Please take whatever resonates with you, and please drop a comment if you feel the reading resonates with you. I would be very grateful to support my channel. And secondly, the cross watchers can also get the story from it. So let's not delay, let's begin. First, I'll start with you, Pisces. Please give the recent past of the Pisces. What is the recent past, my love team? Please give the recent past for my Pisces. What is the recent past of my Pisces? Alright. The recent past for my Pisces. Okay, so the recent past, Pisces, is Ten of Wands. That means in the past you are carrying a lot of burden. This could be regarding your work, could be house responsibilities, lots of responsibilities in the work area, in your home, in your relationships also, emotionally also. It seems that you are carrying a lot of burden. So you have been carrying a lot of burdens in the past. Now let's see what is the current energy of the Pisceans. In the past you have had a lot of work to do. You are doing a lot of work, either at home or in workplace or in a relationship, could be anything. Now let's clarify the current energy of my Pisceans, water sign, highly emotional people. So what is the current energy? Alright, so the current energy is, well, the current energy is Eight of Swords. That means you are a lot about something in your head. You are thinking a lot. You may be thinking about something which is bothering you. This is the present moment. You are feeling very, very, stuck up somewhere in your thinking. This is your current energy. Okay, please give the near future for the Pisceans. What is the near future, my love team? What is the near future for my Pisceans? Please give me the near future of the Pisceans. Well, in the near future, we have got the King of Pentacles, which means that in the near future, you will be moving towards stability, and you will feel more grounded. You will be looking after yourself. Financially also, you will be doing very well. This is your near future. Now let's see what overall energy we have for the Pisceans. What is the overall energy of the Pisceans in collective, in general? What is the overall energy of my lovely, lovely Pisceans? What is the overall energy of the Pisceans, my love team? The overall energy is Three of Pentacles in the reverse. Something is not working out. There are delays. I think there is a problem in your collaboration with other people. So this is the overall energy. Things are not working out the way you want them to work out. Now we are going to see your person's energy. Please give me the recent past for the person of the Pisces, my love team. What is the recent past for my Pisceans? The recent past for your person is Four of Wands. So Four of Wands means that your person is in a very happy zone. They are very happy in their home life. They are very happy in their work. They must be doing very well for themselves, and there's some sort of celebration, success, which they are into, a lot of joy. It seems this is the recent past. That means they must, recently or in the past, they were in a very happy zone. Now let's clarify the current energy of the Person of the Pisceans, what is the current energy of the person of the Pisceans? The current energy of the partner. Okay. The current energy is 10 of Wands. And you had in the recent past 10 of Wands. Now the current energy is that they have come out of a difficult period. They also had lot of responsibilities. They also had lot of, lot of responsibilities on their shoulders, whether it's workplace, whether it is a relationship or something. They were feeling very burdened, but now they are coming out of it. They are feeling relaxed. They are feeling light. They are feeling relieved. Now what is the near future for the person of the Piscean? What is the near future of the person of the Pisceans? Let's see, what is the near future of the person of the Pisceans collective? Let's see the near future. All right, in the near future of your person, we have Temperance. I think, your person is feeling very balanced in their life, or they are balanced. They will be balancing things in their life out, and they will also feel, relaxed, and they are trying to balance themselves, and they will. And this is also seems to be a divine connection. So I feel that. They will be moderate, they will be balanced, they will be contented in the near future. Okay, so now let's see what is the overall energy of the person of the Piscean. What is the overall energy of your person, Pisces? Let's have a look. My love team, please give the overall energy of the Pisceans. Please give the overall energy of the Pisceans. Of the person of the Pisceans. The overall energy of the person of the Piscean is the Two of Wands. This is the overall energy. They are making a choice. They have to choose. They have got two paths, and they are, wanting to make a choice which path to take. This is the overall energy. And what you can't see, coming at the bottom of the deck, you have King of Pentacles in the reverse, and in your reading, Pisces, you have the King of Wands in the reverse. You have the King of Pentacles here. So I feel that, they are looking for stability in their life. They are looking for stability, they are looking for balance in their life, and they have got two people to choose from. And here I see that you are also looking for stability in your life, the Pisces, but I think you are more concentrated towards your finances. Although this is a love reading, but I feel that you are working towards your finances, and this person is looking for a relationship which might provide them stability. So I think you people are separated. You two people are separated, and definitely in separation. And there also seems to be a distance between you two. You could be in another cities or countries or whatever it is. But you are working towards your financial status, and you want to, and you don't want to. I mean, you're not concentrating on love. You are not taking action towards this person. And this person, on the contrary, is looking for stability. And it could be you, or it could be another person. They have got the choices. So they are looking for stability, and you are also looking for stability, but you're not looking for stability in love or something. You are more focused on the finances, on your work or anything. So this is what I have for you, my dear Pisces. This is your love reading. So I hope it resonates. Please take whatever resonates with you. And this is all I have for you. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.